Day 2 with Matt and Ellie. Today I'm riding with Matt. We are in Invermere riding the Swansea Mountain recreation site. It's hot and dry, and after a pretty big climb to the top, I can't wait to see what this trail looks like. Please subscribe if you haven't. Now let's get into it.
We are in Invermere now. Big old pedal up to Dirty Monkey. Chasing Colorado fireman Matt Melton. And it is dry and dusty. Alright, I was just checking that wasn't a different, better way. Try to get back on the bike. It's a little bit steep. There we go. Oh, it's loose. Oh. Yeah. Good job. I think so. Yeah, seems like it's the right way.
I hope it's not looser than steeper than that.
I think it's going to be.
That was like...
It went from one black to two, or one diamond to two. That was steep, I agree.
Well, it's just like, it's fine that it's steep, but give me some traction to work with.
Yeah,
you know?
The steep and loose is a bit much.
Or at least put a halfway handsome catch berm at the bottom. Like, shall we?
Yeah. Whew.
You want to go? You want me to go?
No, you're good. You're doing great.
Thank you. I've lost confidence just now.
Take a look.
That's pretty steep.
I guess part of it is, where does it go?
There's just no getting back, man.
So, come in here, push hard here. Go down through there. The problem is, where do you finally...
You can't, Is that Squamish steep?
Yeah. Like, this is steep stuff. Like, you don't give yourself enough credit.
I could maybe wrap my head around if I could make this turn.
Yeah. Man, it's so this is fine.
What's that drop look like where you're standing on?
It's a plenty roll. It's like, I would probably try to go right here, but you could also go right here.
What about right?
Like where my foot is?
No, my right.
Like off this rock?
No, just behind that rock.
Just right here.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, that rolls. I can do it first.
I'll ride it. I don't care.
You sure?
Yeah, you want to...
I'll get a video from here if you're going to do it.
I'll try. It's just, I got to be able to make this turn.
Yeah, this is not, well, honestly, it seems like if you push, you should, with how grippy this rock is, you should be able to stop right here.
It's just...
And then creep here.
That root right there, you'll pick up so much speed coming down here.
Yeah, no, you?
Are you saying stay left in the bush?
No, I'm saying come straight and drop right into where the root ends.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Let me just feel it.
sure. Oh, good job.
That doesn't turn.
Do some trial. You got some rocks behind you.
Oh, fuck you. The other thing would be... Yeah, I'm just afraid you'll pick up so much speed through there.
Yeah,
For me. Trying to see what's up.
yeah, like do whatever you're comfortable with.
I might have to do some nose pick shit here. Coming into this is a lot steeper than you think.
Yep,
I might just have to come off of this a bit to give myself
yeah, a better turn.
a turn.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
All right, we got an optional line here, and it is gnarly. I think just keep everything in check. Should be okay. There we go. There we go. And a good sized berm. I think just keep everything in check. Should be okay. Woo! Spicy. Yeah. Yeah, so we're done with the double black section. All right, we're gonna continue down Washed Up to Lower Dirty Monkey. I way overshot that. Huh. If you reel this berm, you can. Woo! Back on Dirty Monkey. We're now on Lower Dirty Monkey. A little bit more tame than the upper section. Still not easy. Yo. Good job.
Thanks.
Fist bump.
Oh, sorry. Didn't see that.
Looks like we could have maybe come down that way too. But maybe that's a different trail. I'm gonna look at my phone real quick. Oh. I think that's just elbows out. And so I think that's all of Dirty Monkey, and I think if we dart through the woods here, this is Hula Girl. You guys okay if we drop? Oh, yeah. Sweet. Oh, thank you. Oh, we got some more double black. Section is just kind of a roller, especially if you go kind of left or right on the trail. Cool. All right, now we're at the meat grinder. I don't know what we're doing. We went, there's that double black section.
Oh yeah.
And that one kicker, so
You're still ahead of us.
had to hike up and do that.
We were filming that jump, and you guys
Oh,
rode
that's
by.
right, the jump off to the left there.
Yeah.
Right.
This meat grinder looks like it, I think we turned off of it. It may be worth going back up and doing. Yeah, it comes down through this gully.
Yeah,
That's
there's
kind of cool.
the trail split, right?
Yeah.
So the left takes you across, and the right-hand one takes you underneath. Yeah.
All right.
Is that okay?
It's us again. Sorry, guys.
Yeah.
No worries. No worries. We're just gonna cross the road. And...
Yeah, we're close to the bottom, right?
Oh yeah, very close.
Okay.
You see my wife with two little boys. Tell them we're close, and not to be mad. Okay. Good luck. Good luck. Okay.
They're close.
Go back up for another. Don't tell them that. Leave that out.
Took a wrong turn here, but we are back on meat grinder. Let's check it out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and let me know what you think of this trail and what trails you'd like to see. If you need anything for yourself or your ride, check out Jensen USA and the other links on my channel's page. These links help support the channel at no cost to you. New videos drop every Friday with bonus videos most Tuesdays. See you next week.